Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the basics right. Plug the G923 into USB and power, then open Logitech G Hub and accept any firmware updates. This fixes many force feedback bugs. Once done, set the wheel rotation to match the game's steering arc, 900 degrees for full-range wheels, 270-360 for arcade cars. Because force field depends on rotation scaling, make sure the wheel is recognized in the software. Then create or select a profile for the game you'll tune so adjustments won't. You now move into G Hub's advanced force feedback controls and focus on the how and why. Increase overall strength gradually to feel steering weight while avoiding clipping. This controls peak torque. Then tweak spring, damper, and friction sparingly. These add artificial centering and resistance, so keep them low for realistic feedback. Use the built-in test pattern and then a short in-game session to compare telemetry and wheel behavior. If the wheel oscillates or feels twitchy, reduce strength and increase smoothing until the motion. You finish by aligning in-game force settings with your G Hub baseline. Set the game's FFB scale to about 80-100% of the wheel's overall strength and tune road, weight, and curb effects, so small bumps are felt but not exaggerated. Once done, run a few clean laps and watch telemetry or the wheel overlay to ensure forces don't clip. If something still feels off, reset the profile, reapply firmware updates, and try a different USB port. This resolves most communication or clipping issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.